Good morning, everybody. Hope you guys slept well last night. Had a crazy night out last night down in St. Augustine. I went to a cool restaurant with my friend Sarah, and then we went to hear some live music and went to Sangria's. It was really fun. But today we've got some important stuff going on. The driver texted me last night to tell me the new car will be here this morning. So that means I have to go find the money to pay for the transport. And I'm also working today, so I have to kind of get that in there. But the car will be here this morning. My plan is to video the car coming off the trailer, and then you guys will know exactly what's going on with my car situation. Stay tuned, that's all coming up here shortly, in the blink of an eye for you though. Wanted to take a look at the garage right now, show you guys what I did out here. In anticipation of getting the new car, the other day I came through the garage and I completely cleaned out and reorganized the garage. Got all my car prep stuff here with all my microfiber towels. Redid the car parts bin here that has oil and the battery charger and some other stuff in it. And then threw away a bunch of stuff that I didn't need. Scratching my head to try to figure out what happened to my high temperature coating spray, which I can't find anywhere, which I used for the exhaust on the SL65. I usually keep all my spray paint products literally right here, and it is gone. Unless I'm blind as a bat, it is just not here. So I don't know what happened to that stuff. I only used like a little bit of the bottle. But you can see I redid all my paint cans here. Only thing I have to do is get this garbage can back in the back. I keep the garbage cans behind my house when I have two cars. Here's the Accord, my daily driver. My toolbox over here, which I had previously organized and labeled. I keep all my tools here. And here is my workbench and my power tools down here for woodwork and such, and my oil changing. I do have ramps, jack stands. I will be doing a lot of work on the car myself. So I have all that, and I do have an actual hydraulic jack right there. So this is kind of an idea of what the garage looks like now after a nice cleaning, and hopefully this will be enough space for the car. Right here is where it's going. What's up, everybody? Just got a text from the truck, and they are about 2 hours away from me right now. So the ETA is looking like 10:30-ish. Still have to Uber or Lyft over to the place where they're dropping it off. I'm gonna get it dropped off pretty close by at a parking lot. So we'll see you then when we get an update. Headed to the ATM right now. Got to get out $550, unfortunately, to pay for this car to be shipped. So I'm headed up to Bank of America right now. I'm gonna get out some cash, and then the trucker's 2 hours away, probably about an hour and 45 minutes away now. So we'll have another update here shortly. Let's see what happens. I don't know if it'll let me get this much. Oh, it's gonna let me. Yep. Out here waiting for the Lyft driver to come around that corner. Just checking out the yard. And grass is doing really good this year so far. It's a lot of work though. That dude should be coming around the corner like any second now. He's gonna drive me up to Winn-Dixie. I figured that would be the easiest spot to unload the car. Nice big parking lot. And I didn't want to take a chance on unloading it on the street here with all the traffic coming, and plus that would give me a minute to drive it to get used to it. And dude should be coming. There he is right there. Out here at Winn-Dixie parking lot waiting for the driver to get here, and just kind of walking towards the road. Figured he would probably pull in right here. This is a really good place to unload. Maybe right along this wall right here, kind of, or the curb. When we do our drives from Mandarin to here for the drift shop, we always line up right here and wait for everybody to kind of regroup. So I figure he will be exiting the freeway momentarily and heading this way. Try to get some video of him coming down the road when he does. All right, I think I see it coming. Yep, that's the one. There it goes, he passed it. I know what you guys are thinking. Mustang. I know you saw that. He went right past it. Let's see if he decides to turn in. Coming back around this way. Looks like he's about to turn in. I don't know if you guys can even tell yet what was on that car trailer. There is a orange car on the back. Could that be mine? It's turning in. And here it comes, guys. There it is. You guys can probably clearly see it now. There it is. There they are. How's it going? I figured like back there would be easy. Yeah, all back there there's plenty of room. There's the car. It's not that one. Wow. Really does have great paint. So here goes the somebody else is getting a Mustang, not me. Pretty nice Mustang. Gonna pause this for now so we can get this thing loaded up. Unloaded. Getting the car unloaded right now. Mustang out first. 427 Mustang Roush. Getting the Roush Mustang off the trailer here. This is the easy one to drive. Because it has a regular clutch, I'm sure. But the IS has a twin disc. Directing them off the trailer. They got the boards to prevent any scraping.
Straight back. Straight back. Let it roll straight back. Come on. Come on down all the way. Keep going, bro. Straight back.
He's got it off the trailer.
Good.
Woo, that front is so low.
Good.
Damn.
Good.
Wow. So close. Front air dam. Very close on this Roush. So we're gonna see if you can drive a twin disc clutch.
I think you should come up and try. No?
You want me to do it?
Yeah.
All right, I'll come. I kind of wanted to get video of it coming off though.
I'll video you.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
All right.
Take
It's
your
already
time,
on.
walk up. Yep. There he goes.
All right.
New owner of his new toy.
Yep. Gonna see if I can even drive it. Awesome.
Yep. Really pretty inside. Look at that.
Yep. Short boy.
Wow, she cranked up really nice.
Warm up over there. Gotta watch this.
You got it? Slow.
So hard to punch it. Super tricky.
Yeah. Take your time. Have a little dip. Come on. Come on. Yes, sir. Come on. Come on, keep it coming. Keep it rolling.
Yep.
Yeah.
Does
it take brake fuel or?
It will take E85. You know about
Okay, yeah.
the E85 stuff?
Yeah.
Yep. About to try to drive this car without stalling it already. It's a little difficult to drive, but managed to get away without stalling so far. It's really off on though, as you can see right there. I'm still getting used to it. Wow, this guy just pulled right in front of me. Girl. So another thing, 6 gears really close to the emergency brake. You can really, it's hard to tell when it's in gear. This is going to take some getting used to. Really feels like a, wow. I did not do a good job slipping it just then. It feels like a really lightweight Supra. It's pretty crazy to drive this after having a single turbo Supra that made, you know, excess of 800 at the wheels. Now this does have the V160 swap, and I did remember I accidentally popped the hood, so I need to pull over and put that hood back down before it flies open. That's really hard to slip at first. Pull over here and fix the hood because I accidentally popped it a little while ago. It's really awkward driving for the first time. Got the car back home sitting in the driveway. Don't know if you guys can see that very well, but here's a good look at the engine bay. This is a fully built 2JZ GTE VVTI motor with AEM V2. Pretty much no expense was spared on this car. It's just has an incredible amount of work done to it. The paint's in pretty good condition. I wouldn't call it perfect. It has scratches here and there, and what looks to be maybe some runs, but it's nothing major. It's in good shape, and I don't know if you can see the flake in the camera, but it does have metal flake. I'm about to polish it up right now, and then take it over to the DMV and get it registered up. So there's going to be some more information about the car at the end of this video, but for now, here's a good look at my 2003 IS300 with a full Toyota Supra swap. It has the 2JZ GTE VVTI engine, fully built top and bottom end, including cams, fully built head. It's running a Precision 6266 turbo, and it makes approximately about 530 wheel horsepower on medium boost on 93 octane fuel, presumably tuned moderately, but this turbo is capable of about 750 to the wheels on E85. So that is the plan, to take the car up to Tracy over at Tuners Inc., throw another fuel pump in. It is only a single fuel pump, and we are going to run E85 in it. The clutch is very, very difficult. It's a twin disc clutch masters with an aluminum flywheel. It'll take some getting used to. The V160 is pretty noisy, right underneath the transmission well right there, but it is definitely a throwback to my old Supra days, and it's going to be fun to take to the shows and drive around. So stay tuned for the next one, and you're going to see so much with this car, you're not even going to believe it. See you guys.